Tomorrow thrives at the intersection of disciplines. Watch as the boundaries of skills dissolve, forming a new creative era. Digital marketing evolves into a dynamic landscape, where vision meets data and every insight powers limitless opportunity. Master real-time analytics, search growth, and social connection. Strategy unfolds as technology becomes a seamless creative weapon. Blueprints of performance marketing illuminate each move, where SEO and funnels synchronize for intelligent market impact. Brand identity becomes kinetic. Colors, forms, and logos converge, building unforgettable imprints in the mind of tomorrow. AI and automation transmute ideas, where networks, robotic precision, and intelligent workflows redefine the creative process. Human psychology guides the unseen journey. Neural sparks and decisions illuminated, blending emotion with strategic intent. This is the unified architecture of success. The future is built by integrating knowledge, technology, and the human mind.